Hello everyone, welcome back. अब हम आज स्टार्ट करने वाले टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ओके, लेट्स लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. Question number 11. Yeah. Ramesh and Suresh were partners in a firm. Okay, Ramesh, Suresh, the Cadbury people. Ramesh and 5-star, yes. Ramesh and Suresh were partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of their capital contributed on commencement of the business, which were 80,000 and 60,000. So the ratio comes to 8:6, which if we simplify comes to 4:3. The firm started business on 1st April 2005. According to the partnership agreement, interest on capital and drawings are 12% and 10% per annum. Very important word, per annum respectively. Ramesh and Suresh are to get a monthly salary of rupees 2,000 and 3,000. The profits for the year ended March 31st, 2006 before making the above operations were, now before all these appropriations it was 1,300,000. The drawings of Ramesh and Suresh were 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. Interest on drawings amounted to 2,000 and 2,500. Now students, be very careful. If interest on drawing is given along with calculated interest on drawing, then we always have to go with calculated drawings. We don't have to calculate again. Okay, we have to take these figures, very important. For Suresh, okay, prepare P&L appropriation account, partners capital account, assuming that their capitals are fluctuating. A simple question, but these important new things that we had to consider. So let's start. First thing first that we need is P&L appropriation account. And then we need a fluctuating partners capital account. Two partners, the partners are Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh, Suresh. Now all the entries are done. Let's bring down our profit. The profit was 1,300,000. brought down. Now, what was the interest on capital? Now, let us look at the capital figures first. The capital figures were how much? The capital were 80,000 and 60,000 and 12% interest on capital, 80,000 and 60,000. So, let us bring down the capitals. To interest on capital, Ramesh 80,000, 12%, Suresh 60,000, 12%, that comes to 9,600. Just a sec. $16,800. Then let us put the interest in their capital accounts. Then the salary, $60,000 is the total salary. Next thing, interest on drawing. As I told you, first of all, let us write down the drawings here, and the amount has already been calculated. So, we do not have to calculate again. How much drawings? 40 and 50,000. Already calculated 2,000 and 2,500. We will just post the same to our P&L appropriation. Yes, I think everything is done. Yeah, let us total our P&L appropriation, 1,04,800. So, from that 16,800 and 60,000 is reduced. So, we get 28,000, this 28,000 in their capital ratio, because PSR is in capital ratio. And how this 4 is to 3? Do remember, it is the capital ratio. 80,000 is to 60,000. If you solve it, solve the fraction, you will get 4 is to 3. We will transfer the profits here. For P&L appropriation, how do we 16 and now let's do it total 80 plus 9,600 plus 24,000 plus 16,000, that comes to 1,29,600 and 1,15,200. The balance carried down. This is the balancing figure. Okay, just write down here a small note. Calculation of profit sharing ratio equals to capital ratio equals to got it. Now let's do another sum, question number 12. Okay, let's look at question number 12 also. Question number 12 is Sukesh and Vanita were partners in a firm. Their partnership agreement provides that profits would be shared by Sukesh and Vanita in the ratio 3:2. 5% interest to be allowed on capital directly, no per annum is given, direct 5% is given. Vanita should be paid a monthly salary of 600. The following balances were extracted from the books of the firm on December 31, 2006. Now, capital account shows 40,000 and 40,000, and there are current accounts also. That means it's evident that what we have to do, we have to solve by fixed capital method. So, both have credit balances and drawings amounted to 10,850 and 8150. Net profit for the year before charging interest and capital and after charging partner's salary. Now, this net profit was after charging partner's salary. So, what we have to do? We have to add back the partner's salary just for presentation purposes. Okay, this amounted to 9,500. Prepare the P&L appropriation account and the partner's current accounts. Okay. So, we will prepare all three: partners, current, capital and P&L appropriation. Question number 12, let us keep the formats ready first. Okay, now partners capital account and then partners current account. Capital account we know, a short and sweet account will be there. Why? Maximum 4 entries can come. Two partners. Partners current account. Particulars, Sukesh and Vanita. Okay, I guess the presentation part is done. Let's start. No, it's not done. Yep. Now, what is the balance of profit? And now this profit is after charging the salaries, and salaries were how much? $600, and 600 only to Vanita. So we'll add back monthly salary. Yes, monthly salary. $9,500 plus 12 into 6. Okay, 9 plus 7. Calculator. Let's see. 16,700. Yeah. Now, interest on capital, it's directly 5%. So 2. $40,000 is the fixed capital, so we'll provide only on 40,000. Okay, not on current account balance, but only on capital account balance. So Let's put them in their current accounts, and before that let's bring down the current account balance. So balance given is 7200 and 2800, both credit. Okay, now this is done. Let's see what is the next thing. Salary. But salary only to Vanita, that amounted to 7,200. Let's put the same in our P&L appropriation account as well. Now someone can ask, sir, why do we do it? Well, first we are adding and then subtracting. It's just for the presentation purposes that we have to do, because the profit which should have been come from P&L account is to be 16,700 and not 9,500. Okay. Next, I guess the only thing which is remaining is transferring the profit balances. There is no drawing. There is drawing, but there is no interest on drawing. Yeah. So we'll just put the drawings first. Drawings to in the current account. Capital account balances 40 fixed and no change also, no addition and subtraction. Let's first close this one only. Now P&L appropriation account, how much? 16,700. There is no interest on drawings. Obviously that side is higher. How much is the profit? That is the balancing figure, 5,500. This will be divided to their not capital but current account. Of Sukesh. Let's see, Sukesh, the ratio was 3:2 given in the question. So, it's 3,300. We will transfer the same to our current account. Capital is already done and the question will be over. Total comes to 72 plus 33 plus 2, 12,500. Then 2 to 4, 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 13,000. So 21, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,200. Same drawings are less, so 12,500, and here also drawings are less, so 14,200. The balancing figure of the capital, both credit balance to balance carried down. And how much is the balance that we are carrying down? The balance carried down will be 1650, and here the balance carried down will be 6050. And that's how our question number, this question is also done. Let's look at this question for you all to copy. This is our P&L appropriation. From here we have transferred, there is no other entry in the capital account, and all the balances transferred to current. Just do remember, the only peculiar thing in this question was adding back this 7,200 and deducting it again, because this should be the amount which should have been come from P&L account. Okay. Thank you so much.